Hey folks, welcome to the Camping Post. In this video we are going to do a little bath mod that's going to allow us to create an outdoor shower as well as utilize our onboard hoses, garden hoses, and outdoor sprayers to their maximum potential. And here we go. Here's what we did. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, welcome to the Camping Post. I am sitting here in my 2021 Intech Soul Dawn, and I am going to go over what I have here in these two small boxes. My end game goal here is to create a nice outdoor shower just using these few parts and our existing shower head within our camper. So let's get to work and see if we can do this. So right here in the smallest package, let's open that up, is basically a bunch of adapters and instructions that will allow me to create a quick connect within my internal bathroom inside the Intech Soul Dawn. That way I can quickly remove my shower head. This is going to go onto the existing valve connector, and then I've got an adapter for quick connect that will hook to the shower head, and we even have one that's for a garden hose that should hopefully allow us to hook up a garden hose within the shower in the bath in our Intech Soul Dawn. And over here we'll get to this a little bit later. First I'm going to remove this. That's connecting to the shower head. And I'm just going to use some of the foam that was provided with this package just so I don't scratch that up. That came off actually pretty easy, so it must not have been on very tight. Hopefully I don't need to add any Teflon on this. We'll see. Then you screw this piece on. This has got the O-ring already in it to help maintain the water pressure. And this is our little quick connect. So we are just going to screw that on. Simple, easy peasy. And then I am going to tighten that down a little bit. Now I've got the tail end of the shower head supply line. It already has a rubber grommet in it. This kit came with a rubber grommet. I'm just going to use what's already in here. And then we're just going to screw on this little adapter piece. I'm just going to kind of hand tighten. I don't want to go overboard. If it leaks, we'll address it. I also carry Teflon tape in my camper, so I could also wrap these threads if I do get some leaks. Now I've got my adapter for my quick release, and I can simply just jack that in to the water supply in the shower, and if I want to remove it, pop it out. And this right here, if you've watched any of my other videos, I have a fair amount of items that are mounted inside my camper with suction cups. So this is similar to those. It's basically a suction cup that will mount on the outside of the camper and allow me to drop in my shower head and adjust it. All right, well, let's test this thing out. Take your suction cup shower head mount, take off the plastic piece. Want to make sure this is clean. I haven't cleaned it, but so we're going to see if it'll hold in that situation. Press. Simply release. your shower hose and grab your head, take it outside. So make sure you've got that to the off position before you plug it into your water source. Mount your shower head. Open up the side port for your outdoor shower. And now that we got the quick release, plug it into your water source. Now, we're just looking at the back of our Soul Dawn. I want to take an outdoor shower or wash off my feet. And I've got a shower. It's cold, but it feels good, especially in the summer. Then when I'm done with the outdoor shower, I can pop that off, close this up, take this back to the shower. And this is removable. All you do is stick this little plastic piece behind it, and then you can pull it right off. Now we're back in our Intech Soul Dawn, and I'm going to put this back into the water system, and I'm bringing in the little suction cup shower head mount, and I'm just going to mount that here. That way you can have something, use your shower head in a different way, or you can mount it up top like you normally do. But this gives us a lot more versatility with our shower, and it really didn't take a whole lot of effort or a whole lot of parts. The other great thing this kit lets us do is hook up a regular garden hose with this other adapter into our shower system, simply by adding that new piece, clicking it into the quick connect. Now we have a garden hose that we can attach our sprayer if we need to clean out our black gray tank, or if we just want a sprayer in here, or if we wanted to hook up our water filter to fill up some water bottles. So an extra added bonus. Well, I would call that install a success. That went way better than I thought it would and was super easy to do. Now we have an outdoor shower that we can use to rinse off after we go into the water or go fishing or just are out in the heat sweating. Or we could use it to rinse off pots and pans or anything else at the campsite without having to go inside our camper. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Be sure to check out the links below in the description. We also have a link to a spreadsheet there where we have listed all the other gear that we use with our camper and camping, and some stuff for food preparation and emergency preparedness. So thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video. Take care.